reasons why I like about this A-line shorts, ayan, because you can pair with anything. Like, you can pair with t-shirts, casual outfit. Like, yeah, you can do so much with this casual shorts. And I super love these shorts. Honestly, mga ilang video ko na to. And, yes, ang ganda lang talaga niya. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman. And then the quality is really good. And I super like it because dili siya muangat like that. Like there are shorts nga muangat siya ba. And especially me with very thick legs. That's murag kuan ako kanang unsay tawag gani murag kanang ganing diri gani masagid-sagid. Moy one thing I don't really like and I love about these shorts kay murag mo flow ra siya. So yes, and I super like it. Ayan. So you can pair it with any outfit, like kanang you can pair it with blazer. Manang ganahan ko kay kuan kay siya kanang daghan kay selection imuhang makuha, like you can pair it with like this. Ayan, so wala day plancha akong kuan, so don't mind me. Mamalingki ako. But anyway, I dili ko mamalingki kanang kuyugan din akong bana magpaalot siya. So ayan. So every time magpaalot siya, he wants me to go. So yeah. So married life, and anyway, ayan. I like these shorts, honestly. You should grab yours kasi sobrang ano niya. Anong tawag doon? Versatile. Kanang daghan kay kagma kanang magamitan ba daghan imong mga kanang i-pair. So anyway, i-share ko na lang yung link kung saan ko to nabili if you guys interested with this A-line shorts. Ayan, may bulsa siya. So, yeah. Yan lang.